Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to introduce my favorite fish recipe, wild caught Chilean sea bass. It's pretty simple and super delicious. Everyone will be thanking you for that dinner if you try to make one at home. We need to put avocado or corn oil, whichever you prefer, on top of the fish for the best simple marinade. Grind the salt, then pepper. Make sure your fish is fresh and unfrozen. Then turn it around and do the same on the other side. It's quick and simple. You may also wanna peel the skin if you like to. Alright, let's pull out the tray and place our beautiful fish into it. Make sure you choose the right size container. Alright, squeeze the lemon and arrange some slices on top of it. It will give amazing flavor to our fish. Heat up your oven to 400 degrees and place your fish in there for 20-23 minutes. You can cover it with aluminum foil. While our fish is baking, we will prepare a side dish salad. We will need extra virgin oil, salt, pepper, tomatoes, greens, cucumber, burrata cheese, and pumpkin seeds. Let's take some greens and place them into the salad container. Also, don't forget to put some salt and pepper again. Stir it, with your hands. Once you're done, shred burrata cheese into small pieces with your fingers and place them into the greens. You can put bigger or smaller pieces, it's up to you. The next step is salt and pepper, and then we have to pour in some extra virgin oil on top of it. Let's clean up and prepare our tomatoes and cucumbers. Throw away unnecessary pieces. Chop tomatoes and cucumbers or cut them any way you like. I like here more tomatoes over cucumbers, as you see. Add some salt and pepper again. Place everything into our salad. Stir it. After that, we will sprinkle the salad with some lemon juice and pour olive oil. Stir it once more. Lastly, we're gonna bake pumpkin seeds on a medium fire for a couple of minutes. Make sure to shake them in between so that they don't burn. And then we're gonna put them into the salad. While we have been preparing our side dish, our sea bass got ready. There we have it. Look at this beauty. It came out amazing. I can't wait to eat my dinner now. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and see you soon.